100,000 Chrysler owners. And we'll have this.
Manufacturers say there's been a shortage of skilled workers. I'll report on how one York County school district is teaming up with businesses to fill that need.
News 8 at 5:30 starts now.
You're watching WGAL 8. Now, coverage you can count on continues from the Susquehanna Valley's most watched news team. This is News 8 at 5:30 in HD.
Good evening, I'm Janelle Stelson.
And I'm Brian Roach. Shop class disappeared from many schools in recent years as districts looked to stretch their budgets.
But as manufacturing makes a comeback in the Susquehanna Valley, so is shop class.
News 8's Barbara Barr has more on this story from York County.
Manufacturing has long been the backbone of Hanover's economy. But finding workers to fill the blue-collar jobs is getting harder. That's where Hanover High School's new Metal Lab comes in.
There was a huge demand for jobs in manufacturing, in welding, and in steel. And so it just made sense for us to meet that demand.
Students are learning how to become welders, machinists, and sheet metal fabricators.
This is an important subject area, and over the years, the trades have been hurt, and we need skilled workers out there, and it was great to see the school and the community pull together.
A dozen companies, including Shepherd, donated equipment and money to get the Metal Lab off the ground, and students will be able to take field trips to see the work going on inside these plants.
Our goal is that they should leave Hanover High School ready to work at any of our local manufacturers.
Call it a comeback of sorts for shop class, where students once learned everyday skills. Turns out they still like learning how to make things.
I like to work with the metal and get hands-on feel for everything.
About 100 students, nearly a quarter of the student body, signed up for the class.
This is a great choice to have and get applied for future jobs.
By training students in these trades, the jobs that form the foundation of working class communities are less likely to disappear. In Hanover, Barbara Barr, News 8.
And more evidence of the extreme need for skilled workers to fill manufacturing jobs here in the Susquehanna Valley. Last month, Lancaster County's Workforce Investment Board predicted a shortfall of more than 14,000 manufacturing workers over the next 10 years. For example, steel product maker Ross Technology says because of retirements, it anticipates losing up to 40% of its workforce in the next 7 years. The average salary for a manufacturing job in Lancaster County is $63,000.
A recall would begin at